a spanakopita. I have some spinach. Now, you could use frozen spinach, you could get fresh spinach and cook it down. The most important thing, though, is that you wring out your spinach. We put it in a towel, and then we wring out any moisture that is in there. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop up the spinach, and it is chopped and good to go. I have some fresh dill. Stems, leaves, fine mince, that is gonna go in. A half a cup of dill and flat leaf parsley. To that, I have 2 scallions that we just minced up. Pop them in, 2 cloves of garlic, plop it in, and then I'm using Greek feta crumbled up. Everybody in the pool. This is a move my mom didn't make. I put an egg in mine. I think it just gives it a little better consistency. Egg goes in. A little bit of salt, couple turns of cracked black pepper, couple turns of fresh nutmeg with my fancy nutmeg grinder, and then just maybe like a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. And this gets mixed up. So I just have some toasted pine nuts here. All right, so our mixture's made. Great. Now we have to start working with the phyllo. So we put down our first sheet. I drop it. You put your towel back over. And we're gonna butter our first sheet. I like to start from the middle and go out. I just think it's the easiest way to work. If something tears, if something breaks, if something cracks, it's fine. It's delicate, but you could see I'm just moving it around. It's not ripping, tearing, breaking. Just, you gotta commit. So put another sheet on top. So now look, this is the big version. We fold over, another layer of butter. Again, every time there is a fold or a layer, you add a little bit of butter. Now we're gonna take, scoop, put it in. So we did a fold, we give a brush. Fold again, give a brush. Again, brush. And you just keep working your way up. The most important thing with the butter is this is where the flakiness comes. As this bakes, it's gonna get flakier and flakier, and without the butter, it just would get dry. I'm gonna continue to fold these Spanakopitas up at the break. So I'm gonna put down my one pan, squeeze the other one in here in the corner, and we're keeping it off the coals best we can. I put the lid down. 350 to 400 degrees is what we are looking to maintain here. And these are gonna take about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown. This is what I grew up eating. It's like celebration food to me. I mean, look at that. The spinach, the feta, the pine nuts. You heard how crunchy it was and creamy and delicious inside.